Peace, people. Right, Footshop looking out once again for me with these Nike Dunk Low Curries that have just dropped. They're so cold. The latest addition to the Curry family from Nike that goes all the way back to the Nike Air Max 95 and then the Air Max 1 and so on and so forth. But these bad boys, you know, slide right in there into that family so beautifully well. Right, the Nike Dunk came out in 85, a takedown version of the Air Jordan 1, seen in the feet of college basketball players in the US. It wasn't widely available. But then in the late 90s, we saw the retro of the Dunk, and then a whole new gen copped onto it. And now probably I'd say thanks to, you know, the likes of Virgil Abloh and Futura with their version of the Dunk that debuted on the LV catwalk a few seasons ago, a whole new audience has begun to appreciate this classic. All right, now these are cold. Check it. Look at that. Now that shape is just so clean. It's a universal look. Moms, pops, you know, anyone can rock this shoe. But the curry flavor, oh yes, Nike have done it good. And what I love is the fact that they've used different textured suedes all the way across the shoe. But that color is just absolutely wicked. Yeah. Oh yeah. About this, definitely. There've been so many versions in the past year or two of the Dunk, and Nike are showing no signs of slowing down with bringing them out. And if the flavors are going to be this dope, then I really hope they don't. You know, I want to see how many different styles we can rock, different color flips and all that kind of stuff. It's an exciting time right now, definitely. So shout outs to my Footshop fan for looking out on these. And yo people, yo, stay safe, all right? One love.